Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about current affairs and general knowledge questions. So let's start. Question number 1. Who is the current president of the United States? And the answer is Joe Biden. Question number 2. Which country recently hosted the 2024 Summer Olympics? And the answer is Japan. Question number 3. Who won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2023? And the answer is United Nations World Food Programme. Question number 4. What is the capital of Afghanistan? And the answer is Kabul. Question number 5. Which country is the largest producer of oil in the world? And the answer is Russia. Question number 6. Who is the Prime Minister of India as of 2024? And the answer is Narendra Modi. Question number 7. Which country recently became the first to legalize euthanasia for children of any age? And the answer is Belgium. Question number 8. Who is the CEO of Tesla? And the answer is Elon Musk. Which planet is known as the red planet? And the answer is Mars. Question number 10. Which country recently launched the Shanwan-1 mission to Mars? And the answer is China. Who is the current Secretary of General of the United Nations? And the answer is Antonio Guterres. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? And the answer is Japan. Which city is home to the headquarters of European Union? And the answer is Brussels. Question number 14. Who won the 2021 FIFA Men's World Cup? And the answer is Argentina. Question number 15. What is the currency of Brazil? And the answer is real. Who is the current Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? And the answer is Boris Johnson. Question number 16. What is the largest ocean on earth? And the answer is Pacific Ocean. Question number 17. Who painted the Mona Lisa? And the answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Question number 18. Which city is known as the City of Love? And the answer is Paris. Question number 19. Who composed the famous Symphony number 9? And the answer is Ludwig van Beethoven. Question number 20. Which continent is the least populated? And the answer is Antarctica. Question number 21. What is the tallest mountain in the world? And the answer is Mountain Everest. Question number 22. Who wrote To Kill a Mockingbird? And the answer is Harper Lee. Question number 23. Which gas do plants use for photosynthesis? And the answer is carbon dioxide. Question number 24. What is the chemical symbol for water? And the answer is H2O. Question number 25. Who discovered penicillin? And the answer is Alexander Fleming. Question number 26. What is the hardest natural substance on earth? And the answer is diamond. Question number 27. Which planet is known as the morning star or the evening star? And the answer is Venus. Question number 27. Who developed the theory of relativity? And the answer is Albert Einstein. What is the chemical symbol for gold? And the answer is AU. Thanks for watching.